About this item comfort, the 4-portable bed for sleep is made of a rich high-density foam that is comfortable for sleeping, napping or exercising on. Portability, the foldable mattress comes with a storage case that it easily fits inside. The travel case has built-in handles which makes it easy to transport. The compact foldable bed won't take up valuable luggage room. Multipurpose, too many guests and not enough beds? Need a stowaway bed while traveling? These portable beds for adults and kids solve all kinds of problems. Use in an RV, for sleepovers, or as a camping mattress. Certified, the portable mattress material is plush and breathable, making it convenient and comfortable but also strong enough to last. It has been certified for its safe, non-toxic, and durable quality. Easy to clean and store, because the tri-folding mattress takes a compact form, it is easy to stow in closets, underneath beds, or in most nooks until the next time you need it. The ultra-soft cover is machine washable. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item comfort, the 4-portable bed